Apple's first foldable iPhone, often referred to as the iPhone Fold, is widely expected to debut in late 2026, potentially alongside the iPhone 18 series during Apple's traditional September launch event, though some reports leave a slight possibility for early 2027, depending on final production timelines. Rumors suggest it will adopt a book-style folding design with a large 7.8-inch internal display and a smaller outer screen of around 5.3 to 5.5 inches, offering a blend of tablet-like productivity and conventional smartphone usability. The Foldable is expected to use a premium titanium or titanium alloy frame and advanced hinge materials like liquid metal to improve durability and reduce visible creasing on the flexible screen. Under the hood, it will likely feature Apple's next-generation silicon with robust performance, and rumors suggest a dual-camera setup with 48MP sensors, multiple front cameras for both folded and unfolded modes, and the possible return of Touch ID via a side button instead of Face ID to save internal space. Positioned as a premium, high-end device, this foldable iPhone is expected to carry a flagship price tag, reflecting its cutting-edge design and hardware, and marks Apple's long-anticipated entry into the foldable smartphone market.